Hey, this is Eric and Tammy from TechnoRV, and what we thought we would do is shoot a short video here and show you where we are hunkered down, as they say it in the South, for the COVID crisis. We had big plans this year, and now we kind of don't. So luckily we had put this RV pad up at the beginning of this year, really, well, the end of last year, beginning of this year, right here behind our office. So what we're looking at is the TechnoRV office slash warehouse, and then this is where we stay at nighttime, of course, as we are still full-time RVers, just on our own RV pad. So what do you want to do?
So what you may or may not know is our office is actually a house in a residential area that we've converted to an office. So we also are looking at other houses around us, and we'll show you that in just a second. But
yeah,
got finished converting it, I guess, early of last year. Still a lot of projects to do inside, but it works well.
I think it's kind of cool. This place was a dump when we got it, and
it had not been lived in for a while and was overgrown.
It was
outdated, very much so. Yes.
So all the landscaping, all the inside, we pretty much had to rip everything out.
Matter of fact, I can put some before pictures up on the video.
Yeah, that would be entertaining.
Okay.
And so so we made it not a dump, right?
Not a dump.
No, we really do have a nice place for our people to work. We do have 3 employees, and they're gone for the day, so we thought, while they're gone, let's go in there and have a look around.
All right.
All right, so this is the TechnoRV office from the front, and you can probably still see the RV in the back there where we just did the intro. And so anyway, we got this big nice oak tree here, and a little history lesson about this place is that house right next door there. We actually raised our kids in that house.
We actually got married in that house.
Yeah, we got married in that house, and we sold it a lot of years ago, so we kind of know the people in the area, and so it's really worked out us being here. So anyway, let's go inside. So we just laid down the concrete here, and we made it super wide here. We get at least 4 pickups a day, and some of the trucks are kind of big, and so we wanted to make sure they had a nice big 12-foot wide driveway to come in and give them some places to turn around at. And sometimes we have RVers that'll come by, even though we're not a storefront. If somebody wants to come by and say hey, then they're welcome to do that. So we laid a nice sidewalk here, and then you walk around to the front of the house. We just painted the house. I mean, pretty much everything's been redone, like all the landscaping, and the house just looks completely different now. But this is the front door to TechnoRV. Welcome to TechnoRV. And it may
Lock it or we'll forget.
Yeah, I better lock that. Okay, so when you come in to TechnoRV, if you take a right, you are in Evan's office. If you've ever called in and talked to Evan, this is her domain right here. She loves the double screens, and she got her phone. This is where she takes her phone calls for support and sales.
Mom of 3 boys, bless her. She's actually working from home right now because of the COVID childcare stuff. We canceled schools in Mobile. Yep,
she's got super cute kids, and so she's got all her racks over here that she does testing and things on. So she's really got a nice setup in here. And if you've ever called into TechnoRV and talked to Allison, then this is Allison's space here. And Allison also helps with support and sales, and she also does some bookkeeping for us, and also some warehouse work. We've never lit the fireplace up, I guess, during working hours. That might be pretty cool.
Awkward.
But
of course.
Got the Alabama wreath up here, and so that will probably remain for a long time.
He put it up to taunt during the Iron Bowl, I believe, and he never took it down.
Okay, so as we start kind of moving through, we start getting into like some inventory here. This area was never really meant to be for inventory out here. That was all supposed to be housed into here, but shortly after we moved into here, we kind of started outgrowing this space, so inventory moved into this space because we got our trucker side too. So we got trucker GPSs. This is a lot of the TST, the tire pressure monitoring, and the trucking tire pressure monitoring. Surge guard.
So pleasant though before all this was in here.
I know. Well,
it was your sitting room.
I did have a sitting room, but that lasted for about a week. So in here is the rest of the inventory and where all the packing's done. This is the what we call our warehouse packing area. And
it's Cha-Cha's office part-time, and then Allison's in here in the afternoons as well.
Yeah, so if you've ordered from us and you've gotten, like we get compliments about how things are nicely packed. That's all Cha-Cha and Allison. And so anyway, this is where we pack things here. And it's really an efficient place because everything's kind of right here, so they can go and pick and grab. And then through this door here is where, this is a pickup room. So each one of these racks represents a different carrier, and so the carriers actually have a security code to the door here. So even if they don't come before our hours end at the end of the day, they can still come in here and get that.
I think this was probably one of the best decisions we made because it allows us to, them having access. We don't have to interact. It's been great with the whole virus, stay away from everybody thing.
Yeah.
This room ended up being really good.
Yeah, the carriers like it.
It was like an old outdoor garage.
It used to be a garage.
Yeah, and we closed it all in and did all that stuff.
Yeah. So the entire place is locked up like Fort Knox. We installed you can't walk 5 feet in here without being on a different camera system. So we got all the cameras and all the cool alarm technology. So yeah,
we can monitor it when we're on the road, which is super nice as well. We can always see what's going on. So you got to do those things sometimes when you're not here.
Yeah, absolutely. So all right, so we did support and sales, warehouse. You got to have a break room, right?
Oh yeah.
So this house, just had a kitchen, and who wouldn't want to work somewhere that supplies a massage chair?
That's a heated massage chair.
And with chocolates and a candle and
that's actually from the RV.
Oh, the cherries.
Yeah, I took that out.
Yeah, we pulled that out of the RV. So some more inventory in here. Really low on Berkeys. We need to hopefully get more Berkeys in soon. But anyway, a little sitting area here, and
Yeah, the kitchen, we pretty much left it pretty close. We painted a little bit just because it was very outdated. But, it's a break room. It's not a kitchen. We don't have really appliances or anything. Got a Berkey.
Got a Berkey.
Absolutely. And it serves them well. They're able to bring their lunch and make breakfasts and do whatever they need to do while they're here.
Yeah. And they can spy on us out the window here. There's our RV.
No, you're right.
All right, so the whole house is just kind of like a big circle here. So sometimes we house additional supplies and inventory here. And then we do have a conference room here that
fan is so obnoxious.
When we're in town, we'll have like suppliers come in. I know Garmin visited us not too long ago, TST. So if we need a place to have a meeting, this is it. And
we used to work from here when we were here back in November and December, but now that the RV is so close, we just work from the RV. Eric and I do usually.
Yeah, we do. We have an appropriate rug here for the conference room.
Out of control. I won't let him put it in the RV.
A bathroom with a shower, by the way. I
need a shower after lunch.
Yeah, who doesn't want to take a few support calls and go take a shower, right? And then you're kind of right back here in the front. So let's go look at let's just go out back.
Okay.
So we'll just circle back through. And so you see, it's just a big circle. And then, so this is the back door of the office, and if you go out here, you've got a big patio area here. It kind of looks like a big basketball court here. In fact, I should put a basketball goal up.
No.
Allison and Evan would love that.
I think the last time you played basketball,
play a little one-on-one.
You hurt yourself.
Yeah. So, and then there is the RV back over here.
Yeah, so we pretty much get the backyard-ish.
Yeah, all the landscaping. Tammy's mother loves landscaping.
She
loves being outside with the flowers and all that. So really, a lot of the bushes and all the
She
see a
tried
lot
to
of
make
it.
the backyard look pretty for us, and you know,
It's
it's going to look really
It's
good.
almost all of it that she did. We got a plane coming over here. So well, let's just get some video while the plane's coming over. So we made the turn really super wide, so any size RV could get in. We had friends or something, or we got a lot of people that have RVs that we know, then we were out of town, they wanted to stay here, then any size RV could fit here. Really pleased with how the pad worked out with the, kind of the sitting area. I'll bring the smoker with me on the road, tow it in the Jeep, and so I pulled out here. And Tammy has a garden now.
We have a garden, but yes, it was my thing.
Yeah, Tammy's got a little herb garden here.
Oh, I love that.
And then around the back side of the RV here.
Eric dug me some holes. We actually tilled it, didn't you?
Yeah, we did. We have a garden. Tammy got all excited, I guess, with the whole COVID thing. I don't know, like food's going to run out or something.
I used to have a garden when we had a house, and I enjoyed watching things grow. So I just wanted to do that.
So what do we got here?
We have the back rows mainly tomatoes, different types. And then we have cucumbers and zucchini. And then we have a lot of different peppers, from green and red and jalapeno and Tabasco. And I don't think I did habanero. Maybe I did. But
I personally think we'll be on the road
before the lettuce.
Before all this really produces. Although the lettuce, we did eat from that last night.
We did. They were on our hamburgers.
But all this stuff, I'm thinking we're going to be on the road before.
Well, then it'll just be a
produces.
perk of our office staff. They can come grocery shop.
All right, here's my full.
Before they go home.
Here's the full hookup. So we set it. I mean, it's basically like being at the campground, right? So got 50 and 30 amp hookup here. Full water and sewer, and we basically just tied everything into the house system appropriately, fully inspected, and then we have a little shed back here, which actually when we got the place, it was so covered up with bushes and
you couldn't even see it.
You couldn't even see it.
So we assumed we were going to tear it down when we found it, because we were like, oh, this has got to be gross and rotten because it's been behind trees. But remarkably, it's not.
It was well made in the beginning. And so we're still working on it. We got to replace the tin on the roof. But anyway, it's turned out to be kind of nice to kind of put a few things in. And that is the TechnoRV office and the TechnoRV RV pad. And we're very thankful.
Yes. Oh my gosh.
We're very
yes.
thankful to be able to have this to come back to anytime, but really especially now.